Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is session 4 of campus recruitment training. This is continuous session of last digit concept. In last session, we have learned if last digit of base is either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6 and power is anything, then last digit of the answer will be itself nothing but last digit of the base. Now this is continuous session of last session where we are going to see case 2. If last digit of the base is 4 or 9, then the last digit of the answer of given expression depends on power. Let's have more clarity about this statement. If any value whose last digit is 4, if any value whose last digit is 4 and that value's power is odd number, then last digit of its answer will be 4. And if any value whose last digit is 4, and its and that value's power is even number, then last digit of its answer will be 6. Let's understand with few examples. Example 1, base is 4, power is 1. Base is 4, power is odd number, hence answer is 4. Next example, base is 4, power is 2. Here base is 4, power is even number, hence answer will be 6. Here we have only two things which we need to focus. Those two things are what is the last digit of base, whether it is 4 or not. If it is 4, then its that value's power is either even number or odd number. If last digit of the base is 4 and its power is odd number, then that value's answer will be 4. If last digit of base is 4 and that value's power is even number, then answer's last digit will be 6. Now let's move on. If any value whose last digit is 9, and that value's power is odd number, then last digit of its answer will be 9. If any value whose last digit is 9 and its power is odd number, then last digit of its answer will be 9. And if any value whose last digit is 9 and its power value is even number, then last digit of its answer will be 1. Let's understand with few example. Example 1, base is 9, power is 1. Here base is 9, power is odd number, hence answer is 9. I mean to say last digit of answer will be 9. Next example, base is 9 and power is 2. Here base is 9 and power is even number, hence last digit of answer will be 1. Next example, base is 9, power is 3. Here base is 9 and power is odd number, hence last digit of the answer will be 9. Next example, base is 9 and power is 4. Here base is 9 and power is even number, hence last digit of its answer will be 1. So here there are total two things on which we need to focus. What are those? We need to check what is last digit of the base. If it is 9, then we will check whether that value's power is odd number or even number. If that value's power is odd number, then answer's last digit will be 9. If base is 9 and power is even number, then that whole value's answer, that expression's answer's last digit will be 1. Let's see few more example. First example, 64 is base, power is 24. It is very much clear, last digit of the base is 4 and power is even number. Hence, last digit of its answer will be 6. Next example, 729 is base and 927 is power. Last digit of base is 9 and the whole value's power is odd number. Hence, last digit of its answer will be 9. Next example, 999 and power is 999. Last digit of base is 9 and its power, whole value's power is also odd number. So, last digit of its answer will be 9. Now, 144. This is base where last digit is 4 and its this whole value's power is 441. Base is 4, power is odd number. Hence, its answer's last digit is 4. I hope you guys have understood the case too. I am repeating the case. If last digit of the base is 4 or 9, then the last digit of the answer of given expression depends on its power. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.